Alright, so I'm going to be installing this tempered glass screen protector onto the rear Cybertruck display. Alright, so there's a 9H hardness, oil repel, bubble free, original touch, real tempered. It said it reduces glare, which I really hope it's matte, so let's see. Alright, so as you can see, there's RUIYA or whatever. Okay, as you can see, there's a lot of glare on this screen. First thing we're going to do, go to settings, and we're going to go to screen cleaning mode, so that way if we clean it or whatever, we don't accidentally press things. Okay, let's go ahead and open up this packaging. Obviously you can skip over this part if you don't really care about that. I kind of like to show all the packaging and everything just so people can see how they pack everything. Alright, let's peel that off. It came in this plastic. I got a front screen that I'm going to replace as well, so if you want to see that video, keep an eye for that. And you can see it opens up like this. So they have this glass. This has installation auxiliary tools, all right, and accessories operation. I'm gonna look at that in a bit, and let's take a look here. I'm assuming it only came with one, right? Package contents. So screen protector, alcohol cleaning cloth, drying cloth, and then dust removal sticker. All right, so we'll close that up. It just comes in that little box like that. I'm assuming, yep, this is the screen protector here. So take that out. That's what it looks like. Okay, hopefully we're not going to get any dust onto this. I'm going to leave it in there just to be safe for now. It's probably going to get dust on it anyways. Alright, here you go. This thing, accessories operation. Hopefully it will come out clear. There's a lot of sun. So there you go. Installation steps. Right, compare the protector with your screen. Clean the screen, open the toolkit, use wet wipe to clean first, then use microfiber cloth to clean again. Right, use the dust removal sticker to remove the surface dust to ensure the screen is totally clean. And then use the positioning labels to ensure it's lined up. Peel the back protective film and then swipe from the center of the screen and wait for the protector absorb automatically. Use the microfiber cloth to clean the screen, then install finished. Okay, if you have any doubts, blah blah, damage during installation, contact them and they'll solve the problem. One-time replacement for free. If convenient, please send me the picture. We will figure out the problem and give you installation advice. Okay, why do you need a screen protector? If you want to see that, what makes it different? Okay. Alright, anyways, you can read that if you want. I'm going to basically just go over, just pass through it. Okay. It says they're developing matte, but I ordered matte, so I don't understand why it's saying that. Okay. And it shouldn't break and whatever. But yeah, they said they'll give you one replacement, so we'll see. Screen protector, one time for your replacement, warranty 3 years. Okay, anyways, time to skip over the stuff people don't care about. Let's open this up. Tear that open. Okay, here you have the wipe inside here. So this has alcohol in it. And then we have the dust cloth, so try not to get this too dusty while you're working on it. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the pouch, maybe, if I can get it back open. Okay, I'm gonna end up getting it all dusty now, aren't I? Alright, sorry. I know most people just quickly show putting it on, but I'm kind of just going to show everything. And then these are the stickers to align it, as well as the dust removal stickers. Alright, so first things first, let's make sure it actually is the correct size and lines up well. Okay, you can see they put these angular notches in it, so it kind of matches let's get the screen lit up. And let me see if I can. Problem is, I have it in like this darkness mode, so it's kind of hard to see the edges of the screen, but really the edge, there's nothing down here. It's all black down here. So yeah, the glare is making it look like there's stuff there, but there isn't. Okay, so we're gonna have to try and align that properly, and then we'll get it in. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up the wipe. We're just gonna tear this open. All right, and this is an alcohol wet wipe, so we'll take this off, the screen protector thing, and we'll go into, again, screen cleaning mode. And we're gonna go ahead and use this to wipe it, get any grease or whatever off. I didn't get any grease on it because I left that thing on the whole time, so hopefully we'll be okay. There's lots of like dust particles, everything everywhere, so I don't know. Anyways, wipe that off. We'll get the lint-free microfiber cloth, and we'll clean that as well. Okay, hopefully no dust is floating around that's just going to land back on the screen. And then we'll get this guy, line this up. The tricky thing is, okay, I'm probably going to have to wipe the screen again, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach these alignment stickers first. See how I can do this. Usually you kind of stick them to the top here. That. The tricky thing is there's not really a place to wrap it around like usual. Like when you work on screens normally, there's usually a place you can wrap it around. So let's see. Alright, it's hard to do this because the camera's in my way, but basically you're going to line that up and then stick this down. So give me a second, I'm going to line it up and I'll be back because I'm going to move the camera out of my way. Okay, one thing I found that made it a bit easier is I put the alignment tapes up here first, so it was hanging out, and then I aligned it and folded this down. Another thing to take note of, which I didn't notice right away, is these are the angled corners here, so I had it flipped upside down earlier, right? So make sure you put it obviously the right way first, and then now we're gonna have to lift this up and double check, make sure. Oh, that's gonna be tough. It just like unsticks itself, so that's gonna be tough to like keep it like completely cleaned and dried and dust free, but you gotta do what you can. All right, so most likely I'm gonna end up having to just, you see the stickers kind of peel themselves up, so let me align it again real quick. I'll be back. All right, let's try this again. So I got it all aligned, I hope. Hopefully there's no dust trapped underneath. These are all stuck down, right? So we're gonna flip this up slightly and we're gonna peel this off carefully. All right, so I didn't see any dust stuck there, so hopefully we're gonna be okay. All right, that looks aligned, and we're just gonna push the middle, and you can see it's now spreading out. I hope you can see that. The bubble's kind of just pushing out on its own. All right. Oh, there's a bubble there, okay. And then any bubbles that kind of stay, you kind of have to push them out of the edges. All right, make sure that there's no dust under when you're pushing down, because you don't want to push the dust particle into the adhesive or the silicone layer. Otherwise you're going to get a permanent like kind of bend in there. So let's go ahead and now take a look. Looks good. Let's exit screen clean mode. I kind of wished, I really like the Spigen ones because they put like a mount that aligns it really well, and then you just peel off a thing and it drops it on. This one you have to be very careful and make sure you align this right, otherwise it's not going to be centered. But it looks like I got it on nicely, so let's go ahead and peel this off. I didn't even need to use the dust absorber thingy because luckily I didn't get any dust cut underneath, at least it doesn't look like it. So let's see, can I change it to display mode? I cannot here. Let me change the mode because it's in darkness mode, so I gotta do that on the main screen. Give me a second. Okay, so here, oops, I just have to stay awake. All right, so now we're in light mode, and sadly this bar down here is still dark, but yeah, we can see it does have the matte now. All right, and we'll go to screen clean mode, And oh, screen clean mode goes dark. I don't know why it goes dark. Is that supposed to help you see dirt on the screen easier? I don't know. Maybe. But anyways, it's matte now. I think it looks good. But you can still see there's quite a bit of glare. So I don't know. I don't know. In terms of like glare reduction, it's still pretty glared. It's not 100% straight. You can see this side's a little bit higher than this, but it's close enough that hopefully only I'm gonna notice. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And now I'm gonna install the larger one. If you want to see that video, I'll put it as a separate thing. Alright, see you guys later.